All right, so today you're going to be factoring, and that's, remember, this is your standard form, and you're going to make it like this, where you have x plus or minus something that you're going to find, and x plus or minus something you're going to find there. So the directions say factor the trinomials and find one factor in the left column, how to color it, and one factor in the right column, which letter to color. So these are the factors. This is one factor and this is another set. So for example, if I want to factor this x squared plus 13x plus 12, remember, if you want to do this, you can make your boxes. That's your x squared, that's your 12, and you're thinking to yourself, how can I add these together to get 13? So, well, that would be x plus 12 times x plus 1. So this is 12x, that's 1x. And so together you have 13 x's, x squared, and 12. So we have x plus 12 and x plus 1. So then we come over to our factors over here, and there's x plus 12, and it says I go to box L. And wherever I see an L, that's my x plus 12. That's my L. Then I'm going to have x plus 1. And here's x plus 1. I'm going to color it with a triangle like that. I'm going to choose a different color. Let's go pink. And I'm going to color wherever I see an L. There's an L. I'm going to color it like, oops, that's a square. That's not what I wanted. Undo, 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 undo. I want to color my drawing, and then pink. There's an L there, so I'm going to color it like that. And then there's another L. There's lots of L's on here. Here's another L. I'm going to color it like this. There's other L's. There's one. So all of the L's, I'm going to color like that. And so by the end of this worksheet, once you've factored all those problems, you're going to have some kind of cool design that this is going to make. So enjoy, have fun, be artistic. Make sure you work with your teams if you're stuck and confirm together what the answers are. And be good to Miss Rios. She's my friend. All right? Be good. And I hope to be back on Friday. Bye.